Formula One team has hundreds of people in it. The driver is the face of the brand, but behind them are the people that enable the driver to do their job. Engineers, mechanics, strategists, and so on. When it comes to the 12-member pit crew, milliseconds make the difference. Each person has their individual role to complete, and it has to happen with minimal disruption in the quickest time possible. If one of them gets it wrong, this will impact upon the driver and the construction points. Working together in sport matters a lot, and it's not something that can be left to chance. The most talented team in the world will not succeed without healthy social dynamics. So let's work as a team to impact this. This is Think 4. The interaction of performers within a team or group is crucial. This is mainly to do with making the group or team more effective than the sum of its parts. How does this impact on performances? This can be highlighted in how they support each other. Are they positive? Do teammates help keep team morale high during a performance? This cannot be improved as individuals, but it must be looked at as the interaction of the group. Ways of developing team dynamics can be linked to cooperative tasks. A team with strong dynamics will also go above and beyond their own tactical roles and responsibilities to contribute to the performance of their teammates. In football, a fullback who is opposing a skillful opponent will get support from their own winger. This can ensure that they are never facing their direct opponent one-on-one and can lead them to making tackles and preventing crosses coming into their box. A team that has poor team dynamics, however, can be very critical of one another and not be supportive. In basketball, a player who has missed a very easy layup will therefore be critiqued by teammates rather than encouraged. This can lead to an increase in tension, social friction, and this can be corrosive for concentration and for emotional stability. Building team dynamics is an essential task for any sports team. A group of like-minded people working together towards a common goal are more apt to be successful than just the individual's effort. Being a small group of like-minded individuals with shared vision and expectations of each other is important for developing mutual trust. Players learn to positively support each other, consolidating confidence and reducing individual pressure. Many drills in training can be designed to build mutual reliance, communication, and social cohesion. Just like in the Formula One pit crew, everyone is there for a reason and has a role to play. Every team member needs to know where their contribution lies, and they need to know their value and effort is needed. Teams with real social cohesion become something far greater than the group of players they represent. This can be intentionally developed and enhanced in any team with careful planning. It means that whatever the game situation, good or bad, they will continue to work for each other. In this way, a team draws the best individual performance from each of its members. Use this approach in your higher PE practical work, and it might just push your own performance a little further. This was Think 4. Thanks for watching.